blue jersey sang laga lei dak lei hina host team KACHAI gatam naulong white jersey gala front vakli red in a deal maker stripe dak lei hina KATHO gatam naulong ne mathalak haya players pingmange team gnini hili national level international level ngreu haya players sangap tale chibia lung hili ayar apam khangte wena itumi conference himapung phamai khwaiwang da zanra dak lei yaura dak lei ngasat na natum saikor lila latli da welcome salish dele KACHAI ramni yauthi khra TKS conference yauthi khra ringa phak khamahaya tamlang salish lo da hang chipungai hello hili young mi dak lei hili razang laga local crown hili idada lei dak lei hili ichumi long we zone we president being natum la state hili natum wang ngaran mi ai natum lei rapam milo local hiwi khrnau labai yarwin razang dak lei khrnau being ramwi kathana church we kathana being natum being la state wakli pam khong ra khumi paira natum wang hiling ran mi ai lei KATHO was we fans himatik kajara zang dalaye ring paye hello ichumi first semi-final ichumi conference 31st KACHAI TKS conference CUM sports literary and cultural midway first semi-final between KATHO gatam naulong aina host team KACHAI gatam naulong na havok mere zingyat cha lagin leidak lene KACHAI we back number 3 Mr. Semyon throw in kuilaga Real delay, Yaruli stay midlay, blue jersey sang dak le hina KACHAI katam naw long ne white jersey sang dak le hina KATHO katam naw long ne azwi itumwi center referee hi machuk sami delay first assistant referee Lovejoy, second assistant referee Somingham, fourth referee Tinganing. Natumnala referees being Natumla Chot Aksala Tam Gida Tam Chalakin Razang Miwang, Kachunganing Shie, Natum Klewang Itumi TKS conference Mapung Ta Kangsakne. KACHAI number 10, Ning the Matalakai Bas, Mishok Vaik Sane Kakatioka. Zing yet Viwang in the crown, he tapsang the laying, a nine make hard delay. Rio Young Middle. Gee, the la. Football, he are we. He could go Mushida. He could go Mushida it to me football here at Tamazang Sakrila Sansa Aina. Sansa Aina Zingtun Katam now long the nicknation along ramping Melaga Razamik Vai Nanishil Saklagan Kabone. KACHAI we defendant Semyon back number 3 Nam Talakai clear Saye Chan Ungram Chan pass Mida Ungram Chan the ball Singfuye Ninglum Shang Matalakaya defender Akang Saturday KATHO back number 20. Ball KATHO number na Singfuye KATHO na Singdelaye players Gajivuli that reminds Alish Delaye every match man of the match Ngavaye every match man of the match Ngavaye Jin Matalagin na Tungreolaga man of the match Sampang Ngavaye sa sa logji hila hang jipun ngaye out chogay da throw in hi isi KATHO basin na kuidelaye KATHO number na pass me something back number 15 na number limilaga number 4 Ungramjan Ungramjan yes ball bike laga deflection in a Unganing back number 10 ball single ana ball singlaga crossing the gag sane ka Ashu defender Ungramjan na Save the ball, please. Maramno o washer namno ball boy ja apeng ichama pamla kitiu papang yarmalo apeng iksada pam masar khne hawara la rupam malo shekhu jegna hawara atada omno referee yara da pam shuje da rumalo namno washer je maramno ball boy shuje number Benison to number 8 Apam to number 3 Hungriyung to number still the ball is with KATHO them now long number 5 putting me off KKL KACHAI them now long clear sami ball clear sami laga KATHO na sing foot laye Ari itum yang dak lay hi kachigta na pratiksa ngai le sarala ours we first semi-final hi kachigata itumwi delegates na pratiksa ngai le sarla mashung saga there will be a special surprise for you as well. Hello Maramno volunteers local volunteers maluno panga backstage judging rago rumani mi nang sasawade Maramno volunteers panga maluno show stage as a rumani mi nang sasawade Maramno mi ama khna rudal je a volunteer raja sube jaw ade le namno kuthum lono kuthum rumalo nang sawade Hello, hello. Itu mi khang reo ring patlagin na semi-final, first semi-final. Matalagin na ring patlagin na habok the first half. Ngayong bung delay score line hi ari hi KATHO katam naulong 1 host team KACHAI katam naulong 0 the late lay. Atam laker fi matalagin ng reo rock delay. Matalak high crossing, Mr. Dumpting back number 15 of KATHO katam naulong na kaye. Corner kick, corner kick, corner kick. KATHO katam naulong matalak na corner kick kaye. Matak mi save goalkeeper na salaga. Same. Dumpting uli ungali throw in guilaga ball ji. Kikiga makamaya. Benison KATHO KATHOwi. Fisio Sangmi Paira Higagup Mushida Sansa versus Zingtun Naniknish na lang ramping mielaga atam mazang lila itumwi second match hi habok liwai sa say ngshun itumwi cultural program le awgada Jimofui na le itum havok lik vaisa sek ji hili tada yarili hang chpun ngaye KATHO katam naulong substitute later back number 10 Benison out back number 18 Mr. Temchui in offside taida Somishang KACHAI katam naulong with defender nam talagay na free kick khuilaga ari ball bayang hung dele kangreu ring phalak dele players ka jivana player akui discipline mathalagin ngak laga mathalagin ngreu mi jithai laga ithum jangka tring phai semi final khayang ita ring phalagin la yek ji hi natum players pingli lang reu man dele laga da hang chibun ngai ball ji mathak mai tamjing na pass mi tamjing na mathak mai pass mi tak phai sai penetrate tha laga KACHAI back number 3 Semyon miss pass side number 18 Temjui of KATHO katam nalo na ball sing shitlaye pass mi laga apam raibam na pass mi shok mathak mai pass mi laga number 9 mathanang reu tale kama khamya ki ka handball zaw ga free kick ki KACHAI katam nalo na khuilish khwai san tale khang reu mathak jangkhat tale khu salak tale ka tot ki kamalai lai da dang reu laga confidence le lakin ng reu tak le hi thai laga ring pa ye na chum wi khang reu na chum club ling reu tak le wi acham aram ne ji hi chum mitra khna tada machu khui shan khui de le KATHO back number 8 ngarai pam na ball sing laga mathak mai pass mi shok mathak la khai reu ngarai pam rishang number 9 pam rishang to apam mathak la khai pass mi zang ai defender KACHAI with defender mathak mai clear sal ga ung ning ball krom laga mathak la na ung ning na yong tai re ung ning number 10 KACHAI wi crossing ung khwai we crossing the cars as si yang goal convert chances traga sampung la bai arija ungning the ball sinjing fudle matak mai an goal crossing unga vai sak jang dak sane Semyon number 3 ball jing a bai khui laga raibam singdle KATHO number 8 raibam du pamrishang number 9 Ungram Chan number 4 sing laga pass alungli khai laga KATHO pasui number 4 Ungram Chan nam thalakena pass mizange itumna khangreu hili khiang hina KATHO wi play hi asiwi defenders bingena midfielders bing hi mathalakena understanding lai ek ji hila shan khuid lai right pump back number 8 the balls in the pass mathalakena number 18 Tem Chuili mi shock dali corner kick KATHO number 15 tamga thing na tam thing na mathala kai crossing galaga host team we goalkeeper na mathala kai save sai ball ja aril tam thing singjing futle number li pass milaga number 3 pass milaga ashiwi right wing mak uli tadang reom hung le oi makmaya kiki khale yaugada free kick he goal kick he free kick he goal with the box we lung di quick fight sat le Bumreshang KATHO we Bumreshang back number 9 the pass centrally mix zang ne ashiwi gachai we number na chanson li pass milaga mathala kaya penetrate milaga yaung back number 15 chrome talaga khuyang lobai gijne machuk ka sabing na ba ka mayong rar khuyar man
Hello. Hello.
Very good morning, everyone. So, after what was a windy night with heavy downpour, we finally see some sunlight. The wind is still flirting with us a little bit. It's a +3 morning here at KACHAI, as KACHAI look to take this corner through Chanso. KACHAI in blue, KATHO in white. KATHO with a 1-goal advantage. Chancho in, out by Ong Ram Chan, back in again by Ramrishang. Chased down on this right side, and it's a throw in for the host team. Somishang, the centre back, has left it for his skipper Ramrishang, who will leave it for the right back Simeon. Out again for another throw in for KACHAI. So the first 2 days of the conference were scorching hot, and on this third day we have rain, wind, water, everything has made it a little hard for the players to play in this kind of conditions. It's not the kindest, the ground, when it's rain, slippery, and the ball also skims off any watery surface. But KATHO doing well to get the lead in the game. Now they come again through Tamting, the goal scorer of that goal from KATHO. Hong Ryung back to Raipum. Raipum dispossessed now with Chanso. Chanso, of course, returning after what can be termed as one of the most historic season in the AFC Champions League, sorry, by an Indian side. Mumbai FC picking up 2 wins and a draw in the AFC Champions League debut season. Chanso was part of the squads but did not make it for any of the match day team. However, it will come as huge experience for the youngster who has years ahead of him and is leading his team in this match against KATHO. Here he is on the ball. Try to play it through for both Miami and Musopum. Went straight back to the goalkeeper for KATHO. Ning Ram Shang now to Ong Ram Chan. Ong Ram Chan to Raipum. Raipum all the way back to Varichan. Hong Ryung to Apam. Young Ting out wide for Hong Ryung. Intercepted by Ramrishang. Now again with Chanso. Chanso does well to escape the interest of Ong Ram Chan. Played it back to Simeon. Simeon's ball for Tottiangam was played a tad too early, and Tottiangam, who was in an offside position, let the ball go out for a goal kick for KATHO. Raipum defended by jersey number 5 for KACHAI, Paningmi. Out by Ning Ram Shang on this left flank now for Temchui. First half substitute for KATHO. Benison started the game but sustained an injury and has been replaced by Temchui, who has had a good start to the game since coming on. You can see the players struggling a little bit with the conditions of the ground. They're finding it really hard to get a good footing in this game. Substitution now for the home team, and jersey number 8 Rochuilan will come on for jersey number 15 Tottiangam on this right flank. does not seem to be an enforced change from the KACHAI coach, Ngao Shang. So it looks to be more of a tactical switch from the host coach. The substitution from KATHO, on the other hand, was an enforced change, which Venison unable to carry on after getting a nick. So one substitution each, and we're still 10 to 15 minutes away from half time. Free kick for KACHAI, taken by Chanso. Chanso, well defended by Young-Sing. Now it's Lampum for KATHO. Something to Parmeshang. Parmeshang back to Ninglum Shang. Ninglum Shang for Tiamchui. Tiamchui shaken off the ball by Simeon. Won back by KATHO anyway, and Parmeshang now looks up. Was trying to thread the ball through for Something, well defended by Somishang. Ramchan now. Ninglum Shang. Chimchi. Something and Somishang on a foot race. Somishang getting there ahead of Something. And it's a throw in for KATHO. Chimchi on the left side is touch a tad too heavy. It's gone out for a goal kick for the host team. Young-Sing switches to blue. On the other side, looking for Ngampum. Ball caught out by KACHAI. Ramashang with a loose ball back to one of his defenders, dispossessed by Temchui. Temchui now on the back of Miami. Miami does well to win a goal kick. Ramchan. Parmeshang.
Hello.
Parmeshang to Temchui. Temchui will play it back to Ninglum Shang. Who plays it to Apom.
KATHO kadam now we number
So Apom,
5.
the centre half.
Yung ating
Playing
kalakay pass me.
in the
Ari first half hiliwa.
central
First
defensive
half hiliwa
position
KATHO
for
ba sina goal team hi
KATHO.
samay lay.
Ryung to Raipam. Raipam to Parmeshang. Parmeshang to jersey number 17, Ramsem. Ramsem out for Ngampam. Back with Ramsem. Ramchan now. KATHO having the lion's share of possession in this game so far. Foul on Miami by Ngampam, and free kick in favor of the host team. It's the kind of game that the KACHAI coach will want to capitalize on from the counter attacks, but the condition of the ground today has made it such that his plan cannot come off until now, and it is KATHO who are on the counter now with Tamthing. Tamthing goes past two defenders. Tamthing took the shot on and straight at the goalkeeper this time. Ramthingham, who did well to judge the bounce of the ball and got it with a combination of his belly and his gloves, and safe goalkeeping in the end from the KACHAI goalkeeper. Missed cued by Hong Reung, but possession won back by Ning Shang. I'm seeing 3 KATHO players donning the mohawk hairstyle. Hong Reung on the right side, Ning Shang here on this left side, and Yung Wei Ting, I don't think he's donning the mohawk style. We call it the Hao Kui Ret here in Tangkhul. And it's nice to see the players trying to revive a bit of our tradition, a bit of our culture in this conference. On this left flank for Temchui now. Temchui up against Simeon. Temchui goes back to Tamthing. Tamthing try to play the cute pass to Permashang. Permashang, not sure whether that was a cross or a shot at goal, but the deflection from Tamachan took the sting of that ball, and it is collected very easily by the goalkeeper, who plays it out now with Simeon for KACHAI. Simeon plays it long, well defended by Ongramchan, up against Ongwaning. Chanso having little joy on the ball in this game. Fast PC winger who has got a really nice cross in him. Loves to get down the byline and put the ball inside the box. He's playing as a striker in this game. The sacrifice has to be made considering the fact that they don't have an experienced striker for the host team. Temchui was looking for something, but Simeon will come away with the ball for the host team. Plays it to Chanso. Chanso escapes the attention of Ongramchan. Plays it out wide for Orjulan on this right flank. Orjulan gets past Ningramshang. Orjulan tried to put a cross in, but it's blocked out for a corner by Ongramchan, and the corner will be taken by Chanso. Chanso headed in. It's gone in. What a wonderful header that is by, we're not seeing the back of the jersey yet, but the cross from Chanso headed in by jersey number 14, Mosopum. Yes, yes indeed, jersey number 14 from the host team, KACHAI. Pull back parity in this game. Oh, beautiful cross from Chanso, and the header didn't have the power, but it was headed towards ground, and the bounce unsettled the KATHO goalkeeper, who completely misjudged the bounce of the ball, and it's gone in. 1-1 as we head into 1 minute of additional time here at the end of first half. Another set piece situation here for KACHAI. They scored from the corner just seconds ago, and they will want to double their lead now from this set piece as well. Defended by Ngumshang, stolen by Chanso, who took the shot on. Chanso, it's just wide of the far post. New leash of life for the host team, and they will go into halftime with such confidence, having back-to-back from a goal down against KATHO, nearly going a goal up. That shot from Chanso just inches wide of the far post. Stole the ball away from Pomrishang and took the shot on from the edge of the box. So it will do some good to the confidence of the host team as we go into halftime. The scores are all level. 1 for KATHO and 1 for KACHAI. The goal coming from Tamthing for KATHO, who opened the scoring of the game. Masopam finding the equalizer just 2 minutes before halftime. And on the balance of play and everything that both coaches have seen so far in the first half, it will be the KACHAI team, KACHAI coach, who will be the happier of the two. High fives all the way. And we'll come back for the second half.
Hello. First half he it half time sadly laga yaruli had the stay sage he could go mushida Zingtun katam now long versus Sansa. Zingtun katam now long versus Sansa. The national ran sam yaulo. The national ran sam milaga. Ramping I gal misak vai could stay sane. Men's volleyball. Men's volleyball is Zingtun katam now long versus Tangkhul azek katam now long the real mirror. The national ran sapping I laga. Volleyball court lirazang mikvai natumli saklakin kanghot sane. Women's volleyball in the first league KATHO versus Tangkhul Azeh katam now long ng real mira. Tangkhul Azeh we play list Razangaira ya release at its time midlay. Zingran la Chazo back number 11, John Ray Kashung back number 10, MCP Machinao back number 4, Tangmeiwan Kashung back number 3,
Omesh
Tabro back number 20, Mayori Asai back number 9, Rosie Shingla back number 6, Laton Shokung now back number 7, Rangamla 0 back number 2. Team coach Ungnobum Jajo Hina Tangkhul Azek Katam now long wine Ishi Katoba shi playlist la Kura miauzit ning schnaura Natumwi men's volleyball, women's volleyball hi atam mazang lila how pok mi kwai kang hot kasane kala aramang shun pung trada akha kata atamli itumi culture station hi kwikara jene unit gjiwuna atam chalagena jilila rasang mi kwai hi da saklagena kang hot kasane ngashun wi program order hi kshini taimidlay invocation hi Reverend Victor Riyang, pastor Home Baptist Church. Welcome note hi Guiru Ungsorin Rakui, social and culture secretary TKS. Presentation hi Yuimi Vashum, general secretary TKS. Greetings hi Pau Tin Tang Lubeng, president at SUM. Special song hi Tay Tay Lui Tui, speech guest of honor, folk dance troupe, Pomoy Naka, speech chief guest win lera, laga aramang shun hangi the claiming hina, folk song, folk dance, tingari gataw kalakangatuk. Air village style ushtale, aramang shun itumwe cultural session hili, ngahangi the clay items being dia, folk song, folk dance, tingari gataw kala kangatuk hina unit being na itum lot should kui by kwai unit na participate sarak the unit being jina ka ishi program managers being leka hang message ning shinara unit cái जीवन जंगी तक ला unit के जीवन इसी officials पिंगनी नशी unit भी अमिंग ही का मिकासी जन्निंग शिलाग्रा women's volleyball hi ari azui first match hi tangkhul azay katam naw long ina ka tho katam naw long ng remi gi takle hili women's volleyball got tho katam naw long we women's volleyball playlist yaru lich taimi dale solem mengshang back number 22 kansim chon mashangvu back number 8 justina mashangvu back number 19 jerry hall mashangvu back number 18 One Horla Pungshok back number 3, Lui Tui P Awungshi back number 6, Jingri John Awungshi back number 7, Tammi VS back number 11, Coach Atau Hina Ato Gatam Naulong we women's volleyball playlist ne Azay Tangkhul Azay Gatam Naulong we playlist Akshidal Lui the Yaro Lich Taimilish Delay Zingran la Jajo back number 11 ahi kasom kuno winene John Repi Kashung back number 10 and Chatong winene MCP Machino back number 4 and New Salem winene Tang Mai 1 Kashung back number 3 and Chatong winene Soyopi Kashung and Chatong winene Mayori Asai and back number 9 and Lahore winene Rosie Shinglai back number 6 and Lyram Kulen winene Ngalaton Shok now back number 7 on S Lahore winene Rangamla 0 back number 2 on Lopong winene team coach Mr. Ungnaw Pam Chajo on a long term winene hina ichumwi ari women's volleyball hi azay gatam naulong Tangkhul azay gatam naulong in gatho gatam naulong hapokai re hi gup mashuda second match he Rupai Gatam Naulong versus Zingsho Gatam Naulong Rupai Gatam Naulong versus Zingsho Gatam Naulong Nani Knishna Lakangran Same Laga Lay Misakwai Latluida Gachtek Sane men's football Oring Reotag host team versus Katohi Gup Mashuda Atam Mazanglila Zingtun Gatam Naulong versus Sansanani Nang Ramping Laga Karamik Vai Saklagan Kangot Kasane Maramva Itumwi cultural session hi bung thada khli hopokra jena chilima hop nok vai unit khni jina tam chalagena razang mikwai zingtun gatam naulong kala sansa gatam naulong na chili saklakena latluida da hidata khang hot sane ning shilakai re Hello. Men's volleyball Zingtun Gatam Naulong versus Tangkhul Azay Gatam Naulong. Tangkhul Azay Gatam Naulong versus Zingtun. Nani knish na kathagulungli. Nani knish na ground kathagulungli volleyball court. Men's volleyball court li razang mikwai. Sak lagen kangot kasare netum itumwi volleyball hi hapokawai refereeing right serere. Jena Zingtun we players kala Zingsho we players natum bingna katak gulungli men's volleyball court li razang mikwai natumli kanga hot kasane yaruli kachtai salu shidle razang dakhaya delegates bing ram hili yauthira dakhle ram hili leidakhlaya leigishia ochang rabing avu ava masot no bing Aramang shun pung trada aka katali itumi cultural session ni sara jena natum jivuna itumi cultural session hili razang miser kwai natum ni saklagai na khangot kasane pung trada aka kata atam ni itumi hapokau se atam hi sakmaida mayon kwai sa se itum atam chamaida razang kwai sa se hidata half time sa dali laga ini hiwi Tanja Hulga hita hang jipunga ye Mator Jong football ngrew ausek jen kathok tam naulong kala host team atam chalake na ras dang me chiwi alung jili local hiwi volunteers ping atumang ot sa himerer mada ka thok tam naulong na mat thalake na rang chon kami hi thelaga ka chung ka ning she da ka thok tam nobing li la hang chifun ngai isi local committee wi shongai na nasili ka thok tam nauli ning ka shi ka chung ka phong shok tele jila hangai itum makro jitaran atam wilungli volunteer shortage wangina unit li khang chon ka po jitaran ka tho na chon mi khai tha da unit khang de bing na la ning tong la ke na chon mi khwai unit ka chi wul hi da bil sangai ning shla kai re hello maramno volunteers ngaluno sure maramno volunteers ngaluno sure shiru stage aja rumor se jau nang se saude hello ichum ari hida da khangreu yung maman da half time da da laga yarwili da khangchon lopoge local volunteers mitra tarkar sani stage li ka matala ke ngala now ka kachikata unit na oi ishna lang chon ge da ningzang da la ka you are very much welcome jena kachikata unit wena hi matala ke na decoration wang ne jena kachikata unit wena oi ishna la mi chhora mi ge da stage wakli ishui local crown hui stage li ka mi chhora mi se ning shlagra ning haklak haya ning kalak
And it's stolen off him by Janso now. Janso takes the shot on straight at the goalkeeper in the end from Janso. But industrious play there from Janso, creating a chance out of nothing. It was his pressure on Ngramchand that led to the mistake from the defender, and he engineered a shot out of that. Half a chance, but his shot was straight at the goalkeeper. Left by Tamarjan, risky play there by the KACHAI centre back. The goalkeeper Rangtingham comes to his rescue. Such kind of situations, you have to be on your toes and you have to be alert, and Rangtingham was 100% switched on for that one. Gampam cannot keep the ball in, and it's gone out for a throw in for KACHAI, which will be taken by Paningmi on this near side. Paningmi, Ramashang, head off the ball by Ramsem plays it to something for KATHO. Well defended by Somishang. One back by KATHO. Ngampam puts the cross in. There's a pump at the end of that, straight at the goalkeeper from a pump. Had he left it for something might have had a better chance at goal. No, not something. Ramsem might have had a better chance at goal, but Maraipam took the header and directed it straight to the goalkeeper. Musopam. Chanso not happy with the pass there from Musopam. But he'll come again. All lost by Miami. Ninglamshang for Ramsem. Cannot keep the ball in. It's gone out for a goal kick for the host team. Chanso shouting instructions here to his teammates, and his experience in the game so far has counted a lot for the host team. Pomishang out by Somishang, up by Wachulan. Ramashang under it. High put from Unguning, and free kick for KATHO here. Chan on this free kick for KATHO. It's deep. There's something at the end of it, but cleared by a KACHAI defender. Further cleared by Chan, but the ricochet fell back to, I think, Young-a-Ting, who took the shot on. At the end, his shot was always sailing over the crossbar. Not Young-a-Ting, Lim-shang, the left back, who took that shot on for KATHO. Shang will retake the goal kick. The last one was disappointing. Better this time from Shang, but possession back with KATHO. Something on this near side. Something as well to win a throw-in of Paningme. Something. It's a corner for KATHO, and set pieces have been the main source of goal for this game. Something will look to deliver a good ball into the box, and if it's a good ball, there's a good chance that there'll be a white shirt inside the box to head it in. It's a good one, and it's missed everybody inside the box. Apam was there at the back post, but did not get the contact that he was looking for. What a wonderful delivery that was from Something. Only needed a bit of a touch from one of the white shirts for the ball to end up at the back of the net, but KACHAI will breathe in relief there, because that's one that they have got away with. Another corner for KATHO. It will be taken by Something again, and we'll see if he... No, this time they have changed the taker of the corner, and it's Raipam. Headed by Ramsem, out by Chanso. Now, a double substitution for KATHO. Jasho and Singray to come on. Temchi, the scorer of that second goal, comes off. So Yasho will have to wait to get into the pitch. Singray on the other hand has come off. Temchi, in spite of scoring the second goal, has been replaced here by the KATHO coach, and we will see if that change has been made, with the KATHO coach keeping one eye on the penalty shootout if this game ends up all square at the end of regulation time. So Yasho will come on now. The other substitution for KATHO to be made. And interestingly, the KATHO coach wanted to make the two substitutions at one stoppage of play, but it did not happen, and this will be the third and final substitution for KATHO, because they have made 3 substitutions now in 3 stoppages of play. And Parmeshang, jersey number 9 for KATHO, is making his way for Yasho. A yellow card issued there on Ngaraipum, and the change now made. Jersey number 11 Yasho on for Parmeshang, jersey number 9. So an attacking change from the KATHO coach. Yasho can play anywhere on the front 3. He has come on and replaced the midfielder. And will KATHO have now 2 strikers up front, Something and Yasho. So it looks like they have lined up in a 4-4-2 formation now for the last 20 minutes or so of the game. Headed by Ramsem, out for a throw-in for KATHO. For KACHAI, the host team. Chanso out with Ngaraipam. Ngaraipam cannot find any white shirt in the final third. Back again with KATHO. Yasho chasing. Yasho will not be able to keep the ball in play, and it goes out for a goal kick for KACHAI. Away by Miami, out on the right flank for Wachulan. Wachulan plays it to Chanso. Chanso up against Muramchan. Chanso engineers a throw in out of that situation, and a change now to be made for KACHAI. Jersey number 11 Watan, and Ramreshang, the skipper, will make way. Positive changes from both the coaches so far. Taking off midfielders for strikers. We'll see if it works for the two managers here. Ramreshang taking his time. And Wharton enters the fray. Good turn here by Ungning. Played it back to Miami. Possession lost there. Yasho with a bad pass. Now it's Simeon. Simeon finds jersey number 10, Ungning. Ungning was looking for Chanso. Muramchan comes away with the ball for KATHO. Muramchan's ball for something is well defended by Simeon, who concedes a throw-in. Muramchan to Ramsem. Ramsem cleared by Paningmi. Foul by Unganing on Ramsem, and a free kick in a very dangerous position here. It will be taken by Ngaraipam for KATHO. Six KATHO players inside the box, only 5 KACHAI players. The other 5 make up the wall, and Ngaraipam plays it to jersey number 12, Stingray, and in the end well defended by the KACHAI defenders. A set piece routine was straight out of the training ground, and KACHAI doing very well to see what Ngaraipam had envisioned. Straight back to the KACHAI keeper, Rungtingham. Yongating. Straight back to Rungtingham. Handball on Stingray, and the free kick at the halfway line for KACHAI. In by Somishang, out by Ninglam, collected by Chanso. Chanso by the byline. This is the kind of position he loves, but his cross is defended well, away by Stingray. Yasho, who won the challenge against Paningmi, but could not take the ball in his stride. Yungating now for KATHO, out wide for Hungrayung. Hungrayung Ngampam does well to keep the ball in play. Ngampam takes the ball away from the feet of Paningmi. His ball for Yasho is defended by Damrachan, and it's gone out for a throw-in for KATHO. We had an electric start to the second half. 2 early goals, but the match has slowed down a little bit ever since. Ngampam. Corner for KATHO to be taken by Raipam. It's a good one in. 2 players going head to head for the ball. Yungating and Ramsam, defended by KACHAI. Hungrayung is crossed. The last touch came off a KACHAI player, and it's gone out for another corner for KATHO, which Raipam will deliver again. Not quite sure why they have changed their corner takers. Something was whipping in some good crosses with his left foot, but Raipam has also done well on the corners. Defended well this time by Unganing, and a foul against Unganing. My apologies, it was Somishang who caught the header on that. Corner by Apam. Somishang was brought down by one of the KATHO players, and they will get the ball away with this free kick. Something. Try to find the runoff. Raipam, goalkeeper, does well to come off his lines and collect the ball away from the strides of 2 KATHO players. Ramchan, Stingray to Tamthing. Hongrayung. Tamthing again, cleared by Miami. Now with Unganing from Sopam. Sopam cannot get it on the right flank for Unganing, and what should end now? Apam on the counter for KATHO. It's gone out for a goal kick for the host team. Something cleared by Miami. Out on the left flank now for Ngaraipam, but Ngaraipam has been flagged offside. Hong for Ngampam. Ngampam back to Hong in for Ramsem. Ramsem does well to win possession back, and the weight of the ball a little too much there from Ramsem. I think it's gone out for a goal kick for KACHAI. Strange intensity to this game. It's speeding up and slowing down at the will of the players, and without any real tempo to the game. Both teams finding it hard to get any good chances. But KATHO seeing more of the ball in the last 5 minutes or so. Raipong was playing on the left flank a few minutes ago. Now he's switched on this right side. Throw in for Ramsem, cleared by KACHAI. Another throw in for KATHO. Apam to Ramsem. Ramsem back to Apam. Now it's Hong Leung, well defended by Chanso. There's a player down there inside the box for KACHAI. Two players in fact. Chanso holding his knee there, and Somishang I think also down inside his own box. Huge concerns this for the KACHAI coach. Seems to be a bit of a muscle cramp situation for Chanso, but for Somishang looks to be a knock on his thigh. Chanso is back up on his feet and he'll be able to continue, but the worry now is whether Somishang, the centre back for KACHAI, will be able to get back up on his feet. He can, albeit a little gingerly. He'll make it his way out, so KACHAI have to play for a bit with just 9 men. Pinning me for Hong Ning. Hong Leung on the back of Hong Ning. Ramsem, Apam. Apam back to Ngampam. Ngampam try to boot the ball inside the box. Well defended by KACHAI. All players now back on the pitch, and that is full time. 2-2. It ends at full time and the match will go into tiebreakers. So on to the penalty shootouts we go to decide the winner between these two teams. An evenly contested 90 minutes. KATHO scoring the opening goal through something. Sopam for KACHAI leveled the scores just before half time, and after the restart it was KATHO again who scored the second goal. Tangkhul connecting on the half volley from the edge of the box to give KATHO the lead amid some controversy, and Chanso Horam for KACHAI brought back things to level parity, and we are here at the end of 90 minutes with 10 penalty kicks to decide who goes through to the final of the TKS conference being held here at KACHAI.
Hello. Are volunteers sign QRT basic ground level pump kaksi shongram below stage.
The goalkeepers receiving their final bit of instruction from the referees. He cannot step out of the lines completely before the spot kick is taken, and with that we will have the first kick of the shootout. Bit of a delay here. I think it has something to do with the goal line there at the side where the shootout is supposed to be taken. The lines have to be clear so that the assistant knows the keeper is in the right position and not out of his lines when the spot kick is taken. The referee Machuk improvising there, using the studs of his boots to make the goal line more prominent. Finally, some lime for the goal line, and with that we believe the shootout will start. So KACHAI to take the first kick, and it is Chanso Horam on this first spot kick for KACHAI. Chanso stutters in his run up. Chanso, no mistake from the experienced youngster who faked his run and goalkeeper went the wrong way, and it is 1-0 to KACHAI. The first kick for KATHO will be taken by Yasho. Yasho. No stutter in his run up. Same results from both the two takers. Yasho slots in his kick and it's 1-1. Winning, making his way down to where the spot kicks have been taken, and he will be the second taker for KACHAI. We've seen two good penalty kicks, and we'll see if the third one is good as well, and it is a fantastic kick from Unganing. No chance, the goalkeeper Varichan, even though he went the right way. The power behind that shot from Unganing was too much for Varichan, and KACHAI have the lead. Ramsem for KATHO. Ramsem. Calm as you like it from Ramsem. The goalkeeper went the right way, but was a little too low for the goalkeeper. The ball going past under the goalkeeper's body, and it's 2-2. Somishang for KACHAI now. Somishang from 12 yards out, and Somishang, cool as you like it. That's another well taken penalty from the KACHAI player, and the pressure now falls back on Stingray, the substitute who came on for Semchi. Semchi scored in the game, and his substitute Stingray will be looking to score from the spot. Stingray. Cool as you like it from Singye. 3-3. Nothing to separate these two teams, even in the shootouts thus far. 3 kicks taken by both teams. 3 kicks scored by both teams. Wartan for KACHAI now. He also came on as a substitute, replacing Ramrishang, the skipper, and Wartan from 12 yards out. The weight of expectations of the home fans on his shoulders, and no pressure from the youngster who slots it into the bottom corner. Varichan went the wrong way. 4-3 to KACHAI. Ninglum Shang, the left back for KATHO, now making his way to take the shot from 12 yards out. It's a test of nerves, it's a test of calmness amid all the pressure that's there. And the 7 players that have gone before him have passed. We will see if Ninglum Shang can also pass this test. Ninglum Shang. How easy is that from Ninglum Shang? The only player who took the spot kick with the left foot. That may change now as Simeon makes his way down to take the spot kick for KACHAI. We'll see if Simeon will take the spot kick with his left or his right foot. The last kick off the designated 5, and the stance by the looks of it from Simeon shows that he'll be taking this one with his right foot. So Simeon, no mistake from Simeon either, and it's a perfect 5 from KACHAI. Raipam, one of the most experienced players for KATHO, making his way now towards the 12-yard spot, and the pressure will be high on the experienced player. If he misses, KATHO will crash out of the semis. Raipam, has clipped the upright, and the host team are into the final of the TKS conference. What a fairy tale this is turning out to be for the host team. Rescued by the inspirational Chanso, and they have come back from goals down twice in the game to now book their berth in the final. Congratulations to the home team, commiserations to KATHO, who were the more dominant team in the game, but KACHAI more clinical when they got their chances, and in the shootout it is the miss from the experienced Naraipam that sees KACHAI go through to the final. We'll come back to you with more action for the next semi-final clash that is to be played between Singtun and Sansa.
Hello. KATHO katam naulong kala host team KACHAI katam naulong mat thalakin ng real mi khai juwang team kini jili ning kisi junga pongshok tole yaru in the team kini juwang aksida bangla in the show. Jiwi alung jili KACHAI katam naulong host team jila aksida once again congratulate sangaye matanang real mere the dwagi ji real takle final ji kamhayang sarano. Kala Azui man of the match he ishi KATHO katam naulong we back number 15 Mr. Tamting. Nana ishi we man of the match Jina. Oh, why? For the boot with leave me kwai.
Aşağı.